And let's take a look at this one. I'm just going to grab a quick sketch of it. Okay, so you know that when you do this calculation, this comes out to be, let me get a pen going here, that comes out to be 29.077, right? And we're asked to round to the nearest hundredth as needed. So recall all of our spots to the right of the decimal point start at 10. So this is a tenth, th, hundredth, thousandth, okay? Now, what we have to do first is we have to figure out the place that we're asked to round to. So here we're asked to round to the nearest hundredths. So we're going to locate that digit right here, which is 2 decimal places after the decimal. That's the hundredths place right there. Okay? Then what we have to do is we have to look to the digit immediately to the right of it. And we have to ask ourselves a question. Is this 5 or higher, or is it less than 5? So here, 7 is clearly higher than 5. So what that means is I'm going to add 1 to the digit in question, and then everything else to the right will go to 0. So this is going to round to 29.08. And you don't have to write the 0. It's no longer significant. It doesn't mean anything, but I just wanted to illustrate that point. Everything to the right of that will go to 0. Okay, so that's kind of the principles of rounding. Locate the place, look to the digit to the right. If it's higher than 5, you increase the place by 1, and then everything else to the right of that place goes to 0. Let's just do another quick example while I have you. Let's do 29.003. Okay, and again, let's round to the nearest hundredth, just to say. Here's the hundredths place again. We're going to look 1 to the right. This now is less than 5. So what that means is we add nothing to the place in question. And again, everything all goes to 0. So this would round to be 29.00. Or again, you wouldn't write that. You could just write 29. Okay, so look to the right, 5 or higher, add 1 to the place in question, everything to the right goes to 0. If it's less than 5, you add nothing to the place in question, but everything else still goes to 0. Hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't. Bye.